Our local community theater received a very nice wine refrigerator with one problem. It was locked and the key was nowhere to be found. So I drilled the lock out because what else can you do? No key, no key. But then we needed a replacement. So I ordered an FJM replacement lock and it was perfect. It matched the original exactly. The only difference between the original here and the one that I just installed is that the entire piece here is black and the original was not black. In fact, the new key actually is a little bit more secure because the new key has a few more discs in it, where the old key only had a couple. So this is going to actually be a little bit more secure than the old one was. FJM's cam locks come in several sizes. We needed the 1 3/8 inch size and it was a perfect fit. I just measured the length of it and ordered the same size and it slipped right in and I was back up and running in 15 minutes. This is the cam from the new lock. I just reused the cam from the old lock that had an L shape to it, but it fit right onto the new lock, same as it fit on the old lock. You can also get it in two different locking versions. You can get it in a version where all of the keys are different, or you can get it in a keyed the same option where every time you buy a lock, if you get the keyed the same option, that lock will be compatible with all of your other locks. So we got the keyed different version, but just because this is the only one we're going to need. You can also get it in a chrome finish or the black finish. Our original was black, as you can see here, so black is what I ordered. And I'm very happy with the quality and the ease of installation, and now we're back in business, so I would recommend it.